what's up, buddy? It's Z-Man1313, and welcome to day 2, and I would say part 4 of our birthday weekend adventure. And I don't have a plan. I've got all my toys. Really, I'm just wanting to test out the trailer and all this stuff and see what it can handle. I learned a few things yesterday afternoon. Yeah, the clearance is fine on the trailer, I think, but it can be better. I had no problems except when I got to a creek crossing that was all rocks, and then it scraped and rubbed and all that good jazz. I don't mind that as long as it's coming through, but that could be a problem going up a hill that has some things on it. I don't foresee myself taking this thing out to a place where I'm going to be rock crawling off-roading. I mean, I don't even do that without the trailer. What am I going to do that with the trailer? And so, yeah, we shall see. We shall see. Let's go over here and look at something real quick. Oh, there's somebody there. Let's go this way first. Perfect. They have some campgrounds, primitive campgrounds in here. And I would love to get one that's waterfront. I could go right there though. Beautiful out here. Gotta make sure I take some pictures. See, this is as U of a turn as I can make, and it doesn't get close up here to hitting. So that's cool. Let's go check out the day spot real quick. Might just throw in there and fish. Think it's too cold to fish. Still on the search for a spot to kind of make a base camp. There's a couple in here that are pretty nice, but if these are taken, then the good ones are taken. It was a beautiful weekend to get out and do stuff. The true number one thing today was always, as always, is number one, have fun. Come out and enjoy the day and enjoy what I see, enjoy nature, enjoy, you know, it's hard for me to say enjoy nature when you're inside a Jeep, inside a car, but you can. I enjoy it. I come out here and I enjoy what I see from inside the vehicle a lot. So, yeah. Well, you still can camp here. You just can't go any further than this, which is fine. Not sure. 14-day limit here. And I can pull the Jeep right to here and it would still be fine. Have a tent or whatever and enjoy this. Nice. Super nice. Super nice spot. One of my favorite spots here. I mean, you have to park close to the road or closer to the road. You just can't get in here, but you can at least still be here. At least 2 vehicles. Get to these places. I've cleaned this place up so many times here, and you come to these places and you're like, man, why do people do this, you know? Why do they jack it up so much? But understandable. Like I said though, I can at least still bring the Jeep all the way to right here, set myself up, and still be able to enjoy that view right there, because that's really where it's at, you know. All right, here's the setup. Still doing good. This thing right here, I've got it jammed in here. It's got a rubber cap, so I'm not worried it's going to jack up the kayak too much. Yeah. It's doing good. All right, I need to put that up. Didn't realize I left that out like that. All right. Well, not a total loss, but yeah. Trailer's done good. Trailer's done good so far. Let's keep it going, see what else we find.